we as African people are gathered here together as we continue to honor our ancestors. I ask you to repeat after me. Oh ancestors,
oh ancestors,
blacker than 1,000 midnights,
blacker than 1,000 midnights,
African ancestors,
African ancestors,
it is you that we, your children, give respect and honor. Oh ancestors, we call upon you and welcome you to this place. Our African ancestors, let your presence fill this space. Oh African ancestors, who have been purposely excluded from the history books, so that the world would not know of your greatness. Our African ancestors, who gave civilization to the world. Our African ancestors, who gave arts to the world. Our African ancestors, that gave music to the world. Our African ancestors, who gave sciences to the world. Our African ancestors, who gave mathematics to the world. Our African ancestors, who gave medicine to the world. Our African ancestors, who gave literature to the world. Our African ancestors, who gave philosophy to the world.
Our African ancestors,
who gave God consciousness to the world. Oh ancestors, we thank you for devoting your life. To make a future for us. Your children. Your grandchildren. Your great-grandchildren. Those yet unborn. Now stand with us. Strengthen us. Guide us. Teach us. And protect us from the snare of our enemies. Rise up, O African ancestors. And let our enemies be scattered. And give us the wisdom. The boldness. To deal with our oppressors. And those who hinder the liberation. And empowerment of our people. Rise up, O African ancestors. And live in us. And we will not fail to honor you. We will not fail to respect you. We will not fail to hear you. And we will not be traitors.